fart faces, it's me, Bev B Diamond Paints. Today we're going to be unbagging whatever's in here. I opened it up just to take a peek because I was like, I'm not expecting any diamond paintings except from one company. And last time I ordered from the company, they actually came in a box, so I was confused. So let's take a look, but before we do, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. So, okay. This is from Mindfulness Diamond Painting, which used to be called Diamond Painting Factory. I'm very unhappy with how these drills came. Like, can we look at this? This is my first time seeing how they came. I kind of had a peek in the envelope and I was like, what is this? Why are they, because usually they come and they're really like stuck together, like it's really, I don't know, tight, and it's hard for you to have air in the bag and stuff like that, so I'm kind of disappointed. Here's a thumbnail of the diamond painting I ordered. It is by Richter, licensed to Mindfulness Diamond Painting. Mindfulness Diamond Painting used to be called Diamond Painting Factory UK. I don't know why they rebranded, but they did. Anything else in the bag? Oh, here we have a kit, and a drill just fell out. Okay, sure. So here we have a basic kit. You get the green tray, a 3-placer on a pen, some tweezers, and diamond painting wax. Is that it for inside here? Yeah, so look at how this came. It didn't come in a box. It literally just came in this envelope. It says mindfulnessdiamondpainting.co.uk, and it's all crushed. That's really disappointing. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's take a look. I don't know why they changed their name. Like, are they trying to just rebrand? Like, what's going on there? It looks like it is wrapped around a tube or a foam cylinder thing. So, okay. Look at the foam cylinder. Look how dinged up it is. And it's like they just ripped it. They didn't bother cutting it. They just ripped it. It looks like a dog kind of chewed on it. That's kind of sad. That makes me really sad. So this foam tube, I guess, basically did nothing because it didn't hold the structural integrity of the diamond painting. And that makes me really sad too. So far, I am sad. But we're lucky that, or I'm lucky that it is a poured glue canvas. So hopefully all the wrinkles and stuff didn't, and like the dinging up in the mail didn't actually affect the canvas in a negative way. So we'll see though. We will be the judge. Okay, so here's our canvas. This canvas, what is this? Okay, so remember when we ordered from Diamond Painting Factory UK, it used to have our name at the top of the canvas. Apparently they're not doing that anymore from the looks of this. So no name at the top of the canvas anymore. All you get is a item number, and then it's 40 by 55. Here is their logo, which is like you can't even make out their logo. That's one thing. If you're going to have a logo, make sure that when it's shrunken down to like business card size that you can actually read it, or like this M in the circle, that's called a mark in branding terms. If you can't read it when you shrink down your logo, just use the mark and the mark will stand out, but they did not do that. Just a tip. So here again is the thumbnail. Here's a color list. So it does have DMC numbers. And it looks like it is 40 colors. That's a lot of colors. And then at the bottom, we have the URL. So at first glance, this canvas is very pixelated. I don't know, like, okay, part of me is like, okay, it's gonna be fine. I'll just have to drill it to see how it will turn out. But we will see, I guess. This is a round painting, and there's lots of, like, you can see all the wrinkles in the cover sheet, so I'm hoping that it's not actually the canvas itself. It is the canvas itself. So there are dings on the canvas itself from the way they mailed it. So if you can see this, where these crumply parts are, or whatever these dented parts are, that's not just the top layer, that's the canvas itself. So at the back of the canvas, we can see this whole pattern from when it was rolled and got dinged in the mail. Here's more. That is really disappointing. It looks like it's poured glue. Sticky enough. Not super sticky, but it's sticky enough. Let me just straighten this out for you guys. So I'm kind of disappointed because it's dinged up, and like they just mailed it rolled around a foam thing and then in a padded envelope, and that is not enough to save your diamond painting from getting crushed in the mail. So I feel like, why did they switch out of sending them in boxes, and why did they just, like, they could have at least put one of those air boot things around it. You know, when you get a canvas in the mail and it has like the big bubble boot around it, they could have at least done that, but they chose to just put it in a padded envelope. I don't know how to feel. It doesn't look too defined either. Like, it looks very pixelated, but I feel like my other Sarah Richter kind of looked that way too, but when I finished my Sarah Richter, it was like perfect. It looked really great. So I'm not going to judge this before I put down drills, but I am kind of PO'd about the dents in the canvas and the glue itself from shipping, because it was shipped in a really crappy way. So that makes me sad. I am disappointed in the way they did that. I don't know if that's how they ship out all of their canvases, but this one was shipped out that way, and I don't know how to feel. We can take a look at the drill field. So here's like the dark area. Lots of question marks. Question marks. Since this is a primarily like dark painting, you may need a light pad to complete it. I don't really see any areas where you will need a light pad. Like, for the most part, it's symbols on, like, light symbols on dark background. So the drill field looks clear enough, and there are training circles around each symbol, so that just means if you don't put the drills down properly or the drills aren't sized correctly, you will see the training circles in the finished image. This U symbol might be difficult to see if you don't use a light pad, but other than that, I think it's okay. Don't quote me on that, because again, I won't know until I put drills down. Okay, so that's the canvas. Let's take a look at the drills. Here are the drills. They came in this big bag where they could have easily been tossed around in. I'm hoping that didn't create any static. Let's see. Comes with an inventory sheet. So here's the inventory sheet. And it has the number, the symbol, the DMC code, how many bags you get, and the quantity per bag, or quantity, total quantity. And this is wrinkled again because of the way it was mailed, 40 colors. So I do like that it does come with an inventory sheet at least. And the drills are bagged in these with the DMC code on top of them. And they're attached. One of my pet peeves is when they come in these bags and they're not attached and you have to search through everything. So they're round. Round drills are really hard to screw up, but let's take a look to see if we can tell if there's lots of trash or anything. I don't see anything. We can take a look at the darker color. Is there 310? 939. Doesn't look like there's actually 310 in this bag, which is like surprising because the colors are so dark. This actually might be the next painting that I work on, just because I'm really curious to see how it will turn out. And I will do a post review for you guys as well. So the drills look fine to me. Nothing is like standing out. They look consistent in size. And I like how they're all connected. They kind of smell, the drill bag kind of smells like plastic. But that's okay, because I'll just let them air out. So those are the drills. Here's the inventory sheet. Not super impressed how the drills were packaged, because they're kind of just like in here. And a drill fell out of the bag when I first opened it. So this is how I would package the drills, but I'm not a diamond painting factory person. So I feel like a factory person who organizes drills and packs them on a regular basis could have done a better job. Again, here's the canvas. Here are the drills. Oops. So I'd like to get your thoughts on the canvas. What do you think about it? Would you be disappointed if you got a canvas that had dings in it? I would be disappointed. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ordered from Mindfulness Diamond Painting since they switched to being called Mindfulness from Diamond Painting Factory UK? Have you also, if you've ordered from them, did your order also come in just a padded envelope and that was it? I'm really sad. It should have been shipped in a box like they used to. Maybe they switched manufacturers or something. There's no name on the canvas like there used to be, which is like not a big deal to me, but it's still like a difference from the old company to the new company. I don't know what else has changed, but this is licensed artwork by Richter, and I'm curious to make sure to see how it will turn out. So again, maybe this one will be my next one that I do. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'm still kind of sad about this. Kind of sad. Really sad, actually. Disappointed. I'm disappointed in you. Okay, bye!